The Mobvoi TicWatch Pro 5 Enduro is an exciting addition to the smartwatch market, offering a rugged design, impressive battery life, and a unique dual display system. As someone who enjoys both technology and fitness, I was eager to test the Enduro, especially given its promises of durability and extended battery life. After wearing it for a few weeks, I can confidently say that it delivers on many fronts, but has some areas that could use improvement. Design and build. The first thing you'll notice about the TicWatch Pro 5 Enduro is its robust design. It maintains the same 48mm case size as its predecessor, the TicWatch Pro 5, but with a slight reduction in thickness by about 0.25mm. This subtle change isn't particularly noticeable in day-to-day use, but it does make the watch feel slightly more streamlined on the wrist. The case is made from 7000 series aluminum combined with high-strength nylon and fiberglass backing, which gives it a rugged yet lightweight feel. At 4.7 grams without the strap, it's substantial but not overly heavy. One of my favorite design upgrades is the sapphire crystal glass protecting the display. This makes the watch more resistant to scratches and general wear and tear, something I appreciated during outdoor activities like hiking. The watch also boasts MIL's TD 810H certification and 5 ATM water resistance, meaning it can withstand tough environments and even be worn while swimming. The rotating crown with haptic feedback is another standout feature. It's smooth to use when scrolling through menus or adjusting settings, and the tactile feedback adds a level of precision that's often missing from other smartwatches. Screen and audio. The TicWatch Pro 5 Enduro features Mobvoi's signature dual display system, which is one of its most innovative aspects. The main display is a 1.43-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels and a pixel density of 326 pi, making it bright, colorful, and easy to read even in direct sunlight. This screen is perfect for interacting with apps, notifications, and workout data. What sets this watch apart from others is its ultra-low power LCD display, which sits on top of the AMOLED screen. This secondary display shows essential information like time, date, heart rate, steps, and battery life when the main display is off. It's a clever way to conserve battery without sacrificing functionality. However, I did find that the display's backlight can be difficult to see in bright sunlight, which can be frustrating during outdoor activities. As for audio, the built-in speaker works well for making calls or receiving notifications. It's not groundbreaking in terms of sound quality, but does its job adequately when you need quick access to voice prompts or hands-free calling. Software and performance. The TicWatch Pro 5 Enduro runs on Wear OS 3.5, paired with Mobvoi's custom suite of health apps like TimeLapse and TicExercise. While Wear OS 3.5 performs smoothly for most tasks, I was disappointed that it doesn't come with Wear OS 4 out of the box, especially considering that Wear OS 4 has been available for some time now. Mobvoi hasn't confirmed if or when an update will be available for this model, which could be a downside for users who prioritize having the latest software. That said, performance-wise, this watch excels thanks to its powerful Snapdragon W5 Plus Gen 1 chipset paired with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. Whether I was navigating through apps or tracking workouts, everything felt snappy and responsive. However, I did encounter occasional unresponsiveness that required a hard reset, something that could be improved with future software updates. Fitness and tracking. When it comes to fitness tracking, the TicWatch Pro 5 Enduro offers a wide range of options suitable for both casual users and fitness enthusiasts alike. It supports over 110 workout modes, including running, cycling, hiking, cross-country skiing, crunches, and more. During my testing, I found its accuracy comparable to other high-end wearables like the Apple Watch Series 9 or Garmin watches. The watch also tracks sleep patterns quite well by monitoring your heart rate and respiratory rate throughout the night. However, it lacks advanced health features like heart rate variability, HRV, tracking, or an electrocardiogram, ECG, which are available on some competitors like the Samsung Galaxy Watch series. Additionally, there are no fall detection or emergency alert features, something worth noting if these are important to you. One interesting feature is snore detection. though I didn't find much use for it personally since I'm not prone to snoring. Still, it could be useful for those who want more detailed insights into their sleep quality. Battery life and charging. Battery life is where the TicWatch Pro 5 Enduro truly shines. Mobvoi claims up to 90 hours in smart mode with regular use, and up to 45 days in essential mode, which limits functionality. In my experience, I was able to get around 5 days of use on a single charge by turning off the watch at night, a massive improvement over most smartwatches like the Google Pixel Watch 2 or Samsung Galaxy Watch series. Even when using GPS tracking during runs or hikes, I still managed around 4 days before needing to recharge. This extended battery life can be attributed largely to the OLED display that minimizes power consumption when you're not actively using the main OLED screen. Charging isn't as convenient as some other smartwatches since it uses Mobvoi's proprietary magnetic charger instead of wireless charging. However, I found it easy enough to align thanks to strong magnets that snap into place securely every time. A full charge takes about an hour and 10 minutes, a reasonable time given how long you can go between charger. Other features. Water resistance. With an IP68 rating and support for up to 5 ATM water resistance, you can comfortably wear this watch while swimming or showering. GPS and navigation. The built-in GPS works well for outdoor activities like running or hiking. It supports multiple satellite systems including GPS, Baidu, GLONASS, Galileo, and QZSS. NFC payments. The watch supports Google Wallet via NFC for contactless payments, a handy feature if you prefer leaving your wallet at home during workouts. Health sensors. In addition to heart rate monitoring with a fib detection, sleep tracking, and blood oxygen measurement, SPO2, there's also a skin temperature sensor. Customization. You can choose from over 7,000 watch faces via Mobvoi's Time, Show app or Google Play Store, allowing you to personalize your experience further. Final verdict. The Mobvoi TicWatch Pro 5 Enduro is an impressive smartwatch that excels in areas where many others fall short, most notably battery life and durability. Its dual-screen setup is innovative and practical for extending use between charges without sacrificing essential features like notifications or fitness tracking. However, there are some drawbacks. It doesn't ship with Wear OS 4 yet, and may never get it, and its lack of advanced health features like CG or HRV tracking may leave some users wanting more from their wearable experience. That said, if you're looking for a rugged smartwatch with exceptional battery life that can keep up with your active lifestyle and you don't mind waiting on potential software updates, the TicWatch Pro 5 Enduro is an excellent choice at $350. It undercuts many competitors while offering better longevity between charges, a rare feat in today's smartwatch market.